Hi everybody. Do you have a laptop and your fan just keeps running and running without stop? Just keep making a lot of noise? There's two ways to fix this. You have to open your laptop, clean inside, or there's another way and I will show you. So like I was saying, your laptop is making a lot of noise. You think something wrong with your fans, but it might be something inside your computer. It could be anything like virus, malware, anything. So I will show you how to fix this. What you need, a software called Advanced System Care 11. Looks like this. So you want to go search it, just go to google.com. Just go to the site called download.com. Click the first one, and I want you to choose on popular downloads. Just choose this one, Advanced System Care Free. You choose that one, download, install, and I will show you how it looks. Just click it. Now they got everything here: protect, speed up, whatever you want. I want you to go to clean and optimize, and then scan it. It cleans all the junk files, the shortcuts, all that stuff. It might fix your laptop fan that's making that loud noise. If this doesn't fix it, it could be a malware or virus. If it's not that, it's your fans that need change or need cleaning. But this could work, this software. But it said work on mine. My laptop was making a lot of noise. I'm just trying to scan this. It would take for a while. Just gotta wait. I'm gonna stop it so we don't have to wait. You guys could do it. Now, I found 4,482 items found, and if some will clean it, and it will improve your PC performance. So that could fix your fan that's making that much noise. Just press fix, and then you press finish. Try to restart it, and that could restart your computer, then start your computer. That might work. And they got more stuff. They got speed up, protect, and stuff like that. You go upgrade it but you gotta pay for it. But this is a free one. You don't have to pay for it. You upgrade it, you get more stuff on it. Thanks for watching. This is Xenon the Fixer. I'll see you later.